What's up, everyone? It's that time again. We got Adro. Today, we are actually going to be installing this Model Y Prepreg carbon fiber kit from Adro on a customer car. Keep in mind, this kit will take you a good hour to unwrap it. It is wrapped extremely well. I was very impressed by that, not only the quality of the kit, but the wrap job. So we're going to go over some of the components. We'll put a link in the description below to show you the installation instructions on exactly what you got to do to get it on the car. We have the front lip, we've got rear diffuser, side skirts, rear spoiler, and camera covers. This whole kit's about $6,000. It is, like I said, a Prepreg carbon kit. It is a material that is used and a manufacturing process used by some of the supercars on the market. And that is why it is so expensive and why it is in amazing quality. We will put a link to the Model 3 kit that we shot earlier this year. That was their wet carbon V2 kit. This is their Prepreg kit. This is the top shelf quality product that they produce. Now, they do indicate that this thing has gone through CFD. It will reduce drag coefficient by about 4.4%, I believe is what they say on their website, and increase downforce as well. So it definitely has some functional benefits to it. Without further ado, we're going to get this thing on the Model Y, and once we're done installing it, we'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, the Adro kit is on. We actually got him to lower the Y as well. I mean, you can't have an Adro kit without lowering it, right? So we got the H&R springs on it. We got the Tane Enduro Pro Plus adjustable shocks on it. We put some camber arms on it to correct the camber in the rear. So it's a subtle drop. It's only about a ½ inch front and gosh, maybe 3/4 of an inch front and a ½ inch in the rear. You've seen other videos of ours doing this install. We'll put a link up here. Now, I want to show you guys some of the cool details on this you might have seen in Tim's B-roll, but check this out. We didn't notice this until we installed it, but check this out. These basically make custom bolts and washers in here. It's like a design washer it's laser in here. It's pretty impressive. Then you got all the badging on it too. Adro down here. Adro up here. It's all Prepreg. The fitment was really, really good. It did take us about at least an hour to an hour and a half just to prepare everything on a bench. So getting all the tape in there, drilling the holes. Once all of the preparation was done, it went on the vehicle pretty quickly. There is some drilling you're gonna have to do on the vehicle itself, but I would call this a 3-hour job, to be honest. I do have some buddies that said they did it in an hour and a half, and as a shop, I don't think that's possible. It took 45 minutes just to unwrap all the bubble wrap itself. So there you go, guys. The kit is done. If you're interested in the Adro kit, we'll put a link in the description for purchasing it from us. We do appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out our Patreon account at patreon.com/ZevCentric. We'll see you on the next one.